walk down here. I have a leash, just in case. I'm helping her get used to her vest, even though she's mostly used to it already. Excuse the wind. It's usually really cold. Leave it. It's usually really cold here in winter. And then it'll be... leave it. Then it'll be really warm. So, excuse my filming skills. I can't see my screen because it's so sunny. But, it's usually like 30 to 40 degrees. It's been like that. It was 14 degrees last Sunday, so I don't get to take her on walks very much anymore. So today it's 60 degrees, so just taking her on a walk. So I'm gonna try my best to keep her in the frame. Like I said, I can't really see my screen. But yeah, we're just walking. This is what me and my friend call her dog's bye-bye spot, because it's a really old dog and doesn't get to walk very much anymore. And so we just bring the dog up here, like go about halfway and take it back home because it gets tired. It's like 12, I think, 12 or 13. It'll be 13 soon, so it's a pretty old dog. But Maisie, we're not quite sure how old she is. In 2016, they told us she was 6 months, but she started getting gray on her muzzle about a year later, and so we don't know exactly how old she is, but I'm just guessing 5, or not 5, at least 8. But she still acts like a puppy. But yeah, there's a highway right there, so that's why I have a leash just in case. Maisie, come. Let's go. Good. And the first time we did an off-leash walk was just the other day, and I had treats. And she'd come back like as soon as I said come. Good girl. She thought we were turning, but then she turned back. But this time I don't have treats, I just have her leash. And yeah. But I don't want to make this video too long because I don't know how much space my phone has. Also, I don't know if I'm gonna edit this video. Obviously, I'll put my intro in, but I've just been pretty down in the dumps lately, so haven't really had many video ideas, but figured right now is a pretty good time just to kind of talk. I know I haven't gotten many views yet, but whoever views and wants to ask a question, you can go ahead and ask me in the comments. But yeah, that's pretty much all today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Okay, guys. Maisie's right there. So we were finishing up our walk down there, all the way down there, and this car over here, it like really scared me. They were basically following us, and I'm not very comfortable right now. I'm not going to show the car because they're staring at me. What was that? But yeah, they were basically like driving really, really slow. They sat down there for a little bit. Sorry. Yeah, they were following us. Leave it. No, ma'am. Leave it. They were following us, and I'm pretty uncomfortable right now, so I'm filming just in case something happens. I did have Maisie on a leash in this field, but she was being really slow because I guess she's tired. She just wants to explore, I guess. I obviously still have the leash in my hand, but letting her just kind of play and just explore because she doesn't get to do that usually on walks. Maisie, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Good girl. You got grass in your mouth. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Let's go. But yeah. Just kind of walking stuff. there's the car. They're leaving now. You probably heard me talking. So. But yeah, they were going really slow, kind of following us down the road. And I understand the kind of dog off-leash with a big fist. Like, I understand people would stare, but like they just kind of sat down there for a minute. Like, I understand they may have been like checking with their GPS, but like they were literally following me down there. Like when I started moving, they started moving. And they went and stopped over there in that parking lot and just sat there and stared at me for a little bit. And now they just left. So, had to put this in the video. Sorry if that's triggering for anybody, but I just wanted to put that in the video because that's probably the first time I've been followed like that. It really scared me. But yeah, Maisie's fine. She doesn't even care. She's just sniffing. But for real this time, have a good day, guys. Or good night, afternoon, morning. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.